Welcome to How Employee Invest. Before we dive in, a quick heads up. You might have noticed I use an AI-generated voice. But don't worry, behind the screen is a real person. I used to be an everyday employee, and I saw firsthand how hard it is to manage a paycheck when no one teaches you how. The goal of this channel is simple: to help employees become financially literate. This isn't a get-rich-quick channel. Instead, I'm here to give you the most realistic, straightforward steps to build wealth. With nearly 60% of the US population working a regular job, millions of people need a real guide to managing their money. And that's exactly what this channel is for. I do all the research and editing myself, combining insights from financial books with a little help from AI. But I personally review every single detail to make sure this channel always gives you the best possible guidance. That being said, we all live unique lives. Always do your own research to see what fits your specific situation. Use these videos as your baseline, a solid foundation to help you find your own direction on your financial journey. If this vision resonates with you, hit subscribe so you're here for the first official video. Let's start building that wealth. See you in the next one.